Fish, okay.
Buffalo.
Monkeys, rat. Next question is, name some pet animals.
Cat.
Cow, buffalo, horse. Now, name some animals living in the jungle.
Lion. Tiger.
And
Elephant.
wolf. Okay. Sir,
Panther.
panther. Have you ever seen a pet crocodile or cheetah?
Not normally.
ऋतु ने बोला कि नहीं देखा है, तो why ऋतु?
Dangerous है.
Dangerous है. Sir, do you have a pet cheetah?
No.
Sir, do you have a pet crocodile? Why?
My parents will not allow.
Okay. Do you have pet dog?
No. Yes.
I have.
Why don't you have a pet? कभी आपने क्यों नहीं रखा है crocodile को?
ये dangerous है.
Sir, आपको डर लगता है. So, can we conclude it by saying that because they need some surroundings suitable for their survival also? Can we say that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, next question. Can a monkey live in a river?
You mean like a crocodile?
Yeah, like a crocodile.
No.
Fish.
Crocodile.
Why?
अब वो उसकी surrounding नहीं है.
So who can live in the river? What kind of animals are? Crocodile, fish, frog.
All
Okay. All aquatic animals.
So when we are saying all aquatic animals can survive or live in a river, what kind of special features do they possess? Can we
Breathing.
Okay, one other. Fish, when we are saying fish can survive in the river, why so fish? Because swimming के लिए जो
Fins.
हाँ, they have fins, very good.
Okay.
So we see that for a
special kind of skin.
scale, okay, very true. So when we are saying here, we see that whatever kind of animal we are mentioning, there's a distinct adaptation surrounding. They have to, we need to connect so that they can survive. So we all agree here on this. If we say these animals can survive in the river, then it's due to their special characteristics.
So, can you name some animals which can survive in different environments?
First cold. Let's first begin with the cold environment.
Polar bear,
Penguin,
polar bear,
polar bear. Okay. And hot environment?
Camel.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Scorpion.
Any other?
Rattlesnake.
Rattlesnake.
Rattlesnakes.
Okay. So, what can you see in this picture? Desert. Good. So, name some animals which can survive in a desert.
Camel.
Camel, scorpio है, rattlesnake है. So these are some examples. So camel, snake, and mongoose.
This is the topic of
So
the
this
day.
is the topic of the day: desert animals from class 6. Now, do you think animals living in desert require some special qualities for their survival?
Yes.
What are those?
What are those?
They can survive many days without water.
Okay, without water they can survive.
Extreme
Anything else?
temperature.
Extreme temperatures they can survive.
Santosh sir?
खाना मतलब
खाना नहीं मिलेगा, so they can survive without food for a long period of time.
Okay.
Okay.
They should be able to move around in sand.
हाँ, they can move around in sand.
they have a capability of maintaining water.
हाँ, retaining water and food. Okay.
So, as you have already answered the questions, so यहाँ पे what can you see in this picture?
Camel.
Camel. Good.
Camel.
So I'm assuming you are a class 6 student now. So what are the special features that a camel has to survive in desert?
As you earlier
all
mentioned,
the ones that we just were talking
we
about.
just jotted down the 4 topics. Things we said retain water and food, can walk in the on sand, and we said can survive like without food and water for long periods of time. Okay, so these are the features we can say camel possess so that they can survive in deserts. Okay. Next. These to the 2 pictures. Can you say walking is easier on which of these 2 pics?
On the road.
On the road, and it's difficult to walk on sand.
Why?
Why so?
It's slip.
It is slippery. So when we are saying camel can walk on sand, what is it special characteristic that camels have that they can easily walk on sand?
Food is adapted.
Food is adapted. So can we say that they have a cushion food through which they can get into the sands and can walk easily? So this is one special characteristic of camel. They have long legs and cushion pad feet. Camel is also said to be the ship of desert. So let's move on to the second characteristic.
Why is it called the ship?
Because it can easily walk on the sand and can survive on deserts.
It's a main mode of transport.
Transport in the desert. What is this? The arrow marking.
The hum.
Hum. Okay, so what do you think? Is it important to have a hum?
Yes. This is for storage of water.
Okay, storage of water. Anything else? Fat. Anything else? Fat, water. This hum is needed for fat, water, and food. So these three things. Food, water, and fat. So that when there is a scarcity of water, food, they can survive with the thing they have stored in their hum. So even we see when after lunch or dinner we have a bloated stomach, a big belly because we have having food that time. So camel also with the time when they don't get the food and water, their hump also goes down because the fat stored there, they are using it for the period. And so this is the special feature that hump helps the camel to survive. So we have covered cushion feet and hump. These two special features of the camel to survive in deserts.
So the next question is, do all the camels have hump?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Can you see hump there?
So it's starving.
Yes.
It is starving for
Small hump.
Okay. So why the small hump or
Six pack hump.
so again why it is required? She has already discussed that. The point. So what is happening in this picture?
Sandstorm.
Sandstorm.
So when this kind of environment you are surviving, do you think, the question, yes, if this is a situation, just imagine you are here, will you be able to see with this stormy wind around you?
No.
No. So how does camel survive in this situation?
It has
eyelash.
eyelashes.
Eyelashes, very good. So it is coming from the audience, they have long eyelashes through which they can protect their eyes and can see through the windy, sandy environment. Okay, so this is the another feature. So we covered hump, long eyelashes, and cushion feet. Okay, so
Do you know that camels can survive without drinking water? अभी सबने मॉर्निंग में बताया, स्टार्टिंग में बताया भी था फीचर्स, वन ऑफ द फीचर्स ऑफ द एनिमल्स व्हिच कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो yes, a camel can survive for a long period of time without drinking water.
when a camel is drink water for a period of time, it can take 30 gallons of water. That comes to a 500 full glasses of water. So they can have the capacity to consume this quantity of water, and it can help the camel to go on for a long period of time, even when there is a dearth of water around. So when we are saying hump, we discussed. So there are two types of camel. The one with double hump is called bacterial camel, and the one with single hump is called dromedary camel.
6 minutes for ending up.
So before this reflection, there is one activity to be conducted over here. So we request all of you to participate in the activity. Now we all have done desert, camel, animals. So please stick to the content which I have given. And just imagine you all are in a desert. One candidate will give one sentence, and other people will carry that with a different sentence, and we will have a 21-line story. Can we quickly do this?
Yes.